Hello everybody. I thought I would do a little bit of fun tonight. I've got my new leopard top. Yes, we are live. It's building an audience, so people will be popping on soon. But I bought this. Leopard is in. I love leopard. I shouldn't have thrown out my clothes from the 90s. Was it the 90s when leopard was in? I don't know. Hey Gordy, are you in Hawaii? I think Gordy's in Hawaii. So yeah, I put my Stevie's on too. So I put my who's got the angry face, Stevie? So I put some ears on and I got my leopard top on. So I thought this matched. This matches my my top. And I love leopard skin, but I'm digressing. Hi Samantha. So thanks for the hearts, guys. So today's call is about how to set yourself up for manifesting success. Hey, Benny. So how do you set yourself up for manifesting success? There's a lot of people, look, it's probably the majority of people. The majority of people, they live in the state of wanting. They want something that's out there without realizing that they're actually repelling it. They're actually pushing it away. So guys, tell me where you're checking in from. It's just Benji. So tell me where you tuning in from. I love to see where people are calling in from. It's because I've got friends from all over the world. It's so fascinating. It's exciting to me to see where people are coming in from. So Essendon, Benny. Okay, so how do you set yourself up for manifesting success? Yeah, Gordy's in Hawaii. Awesome. She's gone back again. We were was it last year, Gordy? We were both in Hawaii, although we were a few days apart. I was there before Gordy and then she showed up there. Anyway, digressing. So how do you set yourself up for manifesting success? As I was saying, what you want is out there and you don't realize that you're pushing it away. Manifestation is about attracting. It's about drawing into your experience the things that you desire. But most people aren't sure of how they do it. They read a book once or they watch a movie like The Secret, etc. They get a little bit inspired, but then they forget or they don't implement or they don't continue. It's exactly the same as going to the gym. If you go to the gym, hi Anamika. So it's exactly the same as going to the gym. You go to the gym a few times or you go to the gym for a few months, you get this nice shape or this figure, etc. You're starting to see things change and you think you're done, you go home and you revert back to your old habits. So manifesting is about creating new habits that draw into your experience, as I said, the things that you desire. Now, the first way to do that, well, the first habit to do that is to create like a morning ritual. So if you don't have a morning ritual, I'm going to share with you the importance of a morning ritual and you might want to implement some stuff. So the morning ritual sets you up for a high vibration or a high energy. It eliminates resistance and pushes away blocks. So you become an open channel to wanting to attract the things that you desire. And every single one of us have things that we desire. We all want something that we don't have. It's part of life. And Abraham Hicks also says, you never get it done. Doesn't matter how much you have, there's still always more to achieve because we grow. We always grow. Whatever we've achieved, there's always a next level. There's always another level. So let's talk about like a morning ritual. Now, it's getting dark here early now because it's autumn in Canberra. So normally I would have a coffee in bed and then I would roll out of my bed and into my shoes. I remember Tony Robbins said that. Tony Robbins says, you roll out of bed and into your shoes. So I would do that every morning and take my puppy dog, Happy, she's here around somewhere. I'd take her for a 2-kilometer walk / run. My stamina's increasing. I'm starting to run more, which is great. And then I come home and I do a short 10-minute yoga routine. Then I'll do some meditation and then I'll do some reading. It doesn't always happen in that, I can't think of the word. I'll do those things, but it doesn't always happen in that sequence. I could switch it up depending on what's happening. So that's part of like my morning ritual, morning routine, it's fundamental. It's a fundamental need that you must start to do something out of habit, or something out of the normal of what's habit for you, because we're human beings who live a habitual life. So generally people sort of hit the snooze button, roll over and wait till their next alarm comes off in 5 minutes or something. So from this moment forward, I challenge you to try something new. I challenge you to create a morning ritual. Now, there's many different things you can do, but you must be exposed to information that is inspiring to you. So listen to something on YouTube. Read a book that's personal development, that's about manifesting. Or you can also do some affirmations. I use an amazing affirmations app. I love that. I usually listen to that at night, but sometimes I listen to it in the morning as well. Or you can handwrite your affirmations. Gratitude. Gratitude is the ultimate, I can't think of it. Gratitude is the ultimate step, I think, to receivership. Can't remember who says that, but maybe I think Dr. Joe Dispenza says that. But when you have gratitude, it's like this portal opens up. It's like your heart center opens up and you create space for the things that you desire. So meditation as well, that's another part of a morning ritual. Meditation is just about being still. It's just about focusing inward. It's about bringing your energy inward and just being present. Now, you can do that. You can do a guided meditation. You can just listen to some music. You can just sort of sit at your window and just stare out at the sky. Whatever means coming into stillness for you. Again, there's lots of beautiful guided meditations, all for free on YouTube. Find something that resonates for you. Another thing that's really important, which you need to be aware of, is your daily language. So if you're saying, oh, I can't afford that, or this will never happen to me, or why does bad stuff happen to me, or I'll never have that, or I'm not good enough, etc., listen to your language. If your language is not inspiring or doesn't make you feel happy or lift your vibration, you're pushing things away. Like, I speak to a lot of people and, they say, oh, look, I don't know how to get that, or I can't have that for whatever reason. Yes, you can. You're exactly the same as everybody else. You're born into this planet, you're into this lifetime with the exact same abilities as everybody else who's able to manifest easily. The only difference is that people are more conscious and aware of how to do it. So changing your daily rituals or daily habits is the tool to help you get to where you want to go. So also, this is really powerful. It's stepping into the knowing. So when you want something out here, doesn't matter what it is, a new job or a more money or something like that, it's when you ask for something, it's out there. But if you asking for something not in terms of the I don't have it, but you get clear on what you want. So just say it's a better paying job or more money in your business, etc. Step into the knowing feeling of already having that, having achieved that. Now, that's hard for some people because they say, but I don't have it. How am I supposed to step into the knowing of that? How am I supposed to step into the feeling as though I already have it when I don't? So that's the process of visualization. You step into the reality. So step into this new reality energetically through consciousness and through thought of what it is, what thing you want to or desire to experience and have in your life. And imagine, so you imagine that you already have it. How would your life be different? What different things would you be doing? What kind of different conversations would you be having with someone? How would it look? What would someone say to you in terms of congratulations, or wow, isn't she lucky? Or did you see the amazing promotion she got? Did you see the lottery win she got? What conversations would you be hearing around you from others as though you've already received that thing? So getting clear on what you want and stepping into the knowing or the assumption. So Neville Goddard calls it the assumption. So the assumption as though it's already here. When you step into that knowing space, then that's where you start to, I've said this many times in other lives, that's where you start to move particles. That's where you start to manipulate or move material or matter to bring to you the things that you desire. The issue is, though, is that people hold on to that knowing thought for a little while. They see it not showing up, and then they revert back to, oh, it'll never happen for me, etc. Or they step into that space of, I don't have it. It's about maintaining that knowing, that feeling as though it's already there, and getting crystal clear on how it looks. And Neville Goddard also says it's got to be so clear in your imagination that when your eyes are closed, you spend time in that imaginative state, that when you open your eyes, you're kind of shocked that you're back. So play with that. It's actually really powerful. It's also like, it's strengthening the imagination muscle. The more you practice it, the better it'll get, the easier it'll get, and the more command you will have over your reality. So practice new daily habits. They will create the life that you've always wanted. So remember, you step into the reality as though you already have it. And also, I am offering 20 to 30 minute free manifesting mastery calls for this weekend. So if you're stuck and you're not sure how to get to the next level, hi Shavana, if you're stuck and you're not sure how to get to the next level and you'd like me to give you some tips and work out what blocks are keeping you from having what you want, then comment me below and I'll get in touch with you. And hey, yeah, Brody. So I can't comment below. Give me some hearts and likes, guys, if this resonates with you, or even share it, because this is really powerful. I am really into, or my passion is to help empower people to live the life of their dreams, to help empower people to master their thoughts and master their reality. And you can do that by simply disciplining your thought, disciplining your imagination, disciplining your desires. Everything is available to you. The fact that you're born in this time-space reality means that you can have anything. And there is no greater time in history than being born in this time and space today, because it's so powerful. We're at an era now where it's information technology, information highway. And these little bits of information are there to help shift your consciousness as there is an awakening on the planet. And I love that. Makes me so excited. But there is an awakening on the planet. And for you to participate in this awakening, you need to be aware of your consciousness, aware of your inner power, and aware of your capabilities to have whatever you desire. So I'm giving away the 20 to 30 minute free calls this weekend. Hubby's gone on a golf trip. I've got the house to myself. I love it. The TV is off and I'm just in the zone. So if you want some help, if you want me to let you know what your blocks are that are stopping you from getting what you want and giving you some tips on how to move forward by stepping into your new reality, then comment me below and I will be in touch with you, and let's do this. Let's empower you to create the life of your dreams. Let's empower you to step up, to learn how to master your thoughts, to learn how to manifest what you want, because manifestation is not, it's not random. It's available for everybody. If one person can achieve everything that they want in their lives, so can you. And let me show you the way. So comment me below, share this video, give me some hearts, likes, let me know where you're tuning in from, and I will hopefully talk to a few of you this weekend. But in the meantime, change your daily habits. Look at yourself, look at what you're doing. What are you reading? What information are you being exposed to? What are your thoughts? Step into gratitude. Everybody's got something to be grateful for. If you're breathing without a machine, that's enough to be grateful for. If you have a roof over your head, that's enough to be grateful for. If you have a meal on your table, that's enough to be grateful for, if you're struggling finding what there is to be grateful about. Okay, guys, I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.